Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. You notice anything different? Oh yes honey, we changed the backdrop. I'm probably still going to be like moving stuff around and getting it figured out, but I wanted more of a lifestyle type of background instead of just a glitter background. I really love all of my stuff and I have a lot of stuff. And I feel like it really shows off my personality. So I wanted to be able to start showing my stuff in the background and make it cute and more personalized. So, you know, this is the first video I filmed with it like this. I'm still working on some stuff. You know, I wanted to make a lot of changes for 2021 to my social media. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. I think it's really cute so far. And let's get into this look, which I'm already doing. I primed my lids with my P. Louise base, which I do have a discount code with P. Louise. It's sydneynicole10. They're my favorite bases in the world. If you've been following me for a while now, you know that I use this base for every look. For my eyeshadow today, I am using the Amrezy Anastasia eyeshadow palette, and I'm dipping into the black and then into the darker brown and a lighter kind of orangish lighter brown shade and just really blending that out. I wanted something really sultry with a pop of color for this look. And then just taking whatever's left on my brush from the P. Louise base, cleaning up my lid, and then I'm going to be taking this beautiful blue shade in the palette and I'm going to pop that right on top. It is such a like a wet pigmented blue shimmer shade. It's so stunning and beautiful. I just blended that all over the lid and kind of blended it up into my crease a tiny bit. And then I started taking the black and the brown that we used in the crease and just connecting that on the outer corner there and blending it into the blue, and then taking my finger with some of the blue shadow on it and then just tapping that on top to make sure everything is blended. I'm then using this Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter liner. These are my favorite. You guys know I use them all the time. They're just such an easy product to use for a little pop of sparkle. And I just put a little bit on my lid and then took that same brush I applied the shadow with and kind of just moved it around until I got it where I wanted it. And then I'm using my favorite #1 best of all time liquid liner, the Anastasia liquid liner. It is my favorite one ever. And I just blended the black shadow into the liner. I did my face. I beat that face, honey. And now I'm taking this ColourPop gel liner and I'm putting this in my waterline. It's like a light kind of teal shade. It's almost white, but it has a little bit of a like a bluish greenish tint to it. Then I'm just smoking out the lower lash line, adding that same blue shadow in the inner corner and on the lower lash line a little bit as well. Oh honey, she was feeling herself. Yes ma'am, what you looking at? Me, I know. I'm taking my Fenty highlighter. This is, oh god. I can't remember the shade of it, you guys. I have such a bad memory sometimes. But I'm taking the blue shade and putting that in my inner corner and also using it as my highlight today. I love weird colored highlighters. They're like my favorite because you can really customize the look and make your highlighter go with your eye look. I love a purple highlight. I like a green highlight. I like a blue highlight, honey. Oh yes. Did that inner corner liner, put a little mascara on, straightened her hair, pulled herself together, and now I'm taking some lashes. These are the style Morticia from Fire Vixen lashes. These are probably some of my favorite lashes of all time. Nothing beats the Morticia lashes. I'm just obsessed with these. I could wear them all the time. I popped those bad boys on. Also, during this video, you might see me like looking down a little bit. I've been starting TikTok, y'all. Y'all better go follow me on TikTok, Sydney Nicole Adams. She's getting into it. I'm trying to get to 10,000 followers, but it's actually really easy to gain on there. I'm really impressed with it. Much easier than Instagram. So I'm having a really good time over there. So make sure you go follow me. I lined my lips with my Conspiracy lip liner from Urban Decay, and now I'm using this liquid lipstick from Coven Cosmetix, which is Killstar's makeup line, and it's in the shade Haven, and I am obsessed with it. I wasn't sure about the color at first, but wow, she's looking cute. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like my new background. Let me know what you think of my background down below, and I'll see you in my next video.